Instagram Reels option missing on iPhone fix. Now if your Instagram Reels is not showing up on iPhone, maybe you open up your iPhone on Instagram and then you go to the Reels option, but then you can see the Reels is actually not showing up for some reason. This could be an issue with the application itself. In order to solve this, you can simply open up settings, and once you open up settings, what you want to do is simply go to general. Before you do all of this, by the way, make sure your internet connection is working just fine. Once you're here inside general, go to iPhone storage. Now here simply look for the Instagram application. Now here you'll find the option called offload app. Tap on offload, tap on the offload button, and you'll find the reinstall. Do not worry, this will not delete the data and your login. It will only reinstall the app without deleting your data. After you've offloaded and reinstalled the app, another thing I would want you to check is to simply check if your Instagram app is updated to the latest version. So you can simply go to your app store, search for Instagram app right there, check if you see an update button there, updated to the latest version, otherwise it's already updated. Then after you've done that, now you should be able to find the missing Reels option. So I hope that this video has helped you. If you have got any further questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.